Welcome to Hashtag Quiz Tutorials. We're going to take you through now about printing pen and paper quizzes and how to host a pen and paper quiz. So first things first, you'll have either written your quiz or you'll have got the data from the Hive and saved it into your quiz database. Now, what you'll see on your quiz database is our actions column. This is where you can do everything within the actions. You can edit, you can print quiz, you can play the quiz, or you can actually delete the quiz too. At this point, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click print quiz. So click print quiz, and that will give you a PDF which you can send to any printer and print out the answer sheets for all your players. You'll see there's spaces for team names. There's spaces for points, because at the end of the game, people are going to want to add up points. And you'll see on the final sheet of paper is all the picture questions with the question number and the round that it's in to. So when you ask the questions about the pictures, people can see the pictures. What you want to do from there is go back to your quiz management screen and then hit play. You will be given the options, again within launch game, of the quiz. Now if you've got that wrong, you can just delete and then you can type in the name of your quiz. It's a search function, it will find your quiz. Then load the paper quiz option, or click the button for the paper quiz option. Because the paper quiz doesn't require any adding up leaderboards, scoreboards, live stream delays and things like that, because we know where you are, you're in a facility with people around you. The only option you've got on launch game is the timer, because at the end of the question you may want to give a little bit of an announcement that you're going to be moving on to the next question. So you can have a timer, or if you don't need a timer, don't bother with a timer, it's entirely up to you. I'm going to choose 10 seconds. Let's start the game. Now, if you did forget to print your quiz while you're in the quiz database, well, there's a handy little print quiz up at the top. But be careful, you don't want to hit the end game button. So print quiz is up there if you need to print any more off for some of your players. How you do it, you've got show correct answer as well, so you can see all the information that's on the page. Read out the question, maybe you want to read it out a couple of times, and then start the timer. Hey! And then move on to the next question. As you progress through your paper quiz, you will come to the end of the game, and people may have missed out on some of the questions, and they may ask you what the question was and all that kind of information. But that's fine, because you're at the end of the game, and then you now have a review page. So you have all the questions that you read out during the quiz, but also you've got all the answers as well. So you might need to keep it a little bit secretive from all your players, because now you can see all the information and all the data. Once you've finished off giving those extra questions for the people that need it, probably time for you to all swap around sheets. So in your pub, bar, restaurant, school, wherever you are, it's time for swapping sheets so other people can mark each other's answers. At this point is where you want to read out your questions, and then you want to read out the answers too, to let everybody know whether they got it right or they got it wrong. After all that's done, count up the points, find a winner. It's as simple as that. Hashtag Quiz is the all-in-one quiz and bingo tool. So we've got everything, every kind of quiz, every kind of bingo game wrapped up into it. We hope you have a great time using the system. Hopefully you find it very useful indeed. Don't forget to subscribe to Hashtag Quiz. Thank you all very much indeed.